Good evening. This is the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. NCB continues to report strong profit growth. The bank today released information showing its profit in the 6 months to the end of March was $11 billion. The sum is 15% higher than a year ago. The bank, which is in the midst of a digital transformation, also declared a 70 cents dividend, which will be paid at the end of May. NCB Chairman Michael Lee Chin has taken a significant stake in Ready TV. The announcement made earlier today did not disclose the size of the stake Mr. Lee Chin has taken in the entity or how much he paid for it. It, however, said the investment was made through his company, AIC Jamaica. Ready TV, which was launched in May last year, offers prepaid subscriber TV services and broadband internet. It is operated by businessmen Chris Daring and David Casanova. The company started its rollout last year, offering services in St. Catherine, Kingston, Clarendon, St. Mary, and St. Anne. It recently announced Phase 2 of its network expansion, which spreads its reach to Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Trelawney, St. James, and Westmoreland. Guardian Life is cautiously looking to real estate for a continued boost in profits as interest rates continue to trend down. The outlook comes after a 7.3% annual increase in profit for the year ending December 2017. CEO Eric Hosing says the company is examining all options, including whether to go deeper into the property market. Now, Guardian is currently executing a 2-phase real estate project in New Kingston, valued at $6 billion. All the 66 units have already been sold. The other phase of the development, at 2 to 4 Musgrave Avenue, will comprise 2 high-rises of about 170 units. The price of oil gained on Thursday as investors weighed the risk of renewed U.S. sanctions on Iran, plunging Venezuelan output and robust global demand. Oil for delivery in June rose 14 cents to $68.19 a barrel. The U.S. dollar is selling for $125.56. The Canadian dollar will cost $101.69. The pound sterling for $173.57, while the euro costs $152.62. The Jamaica Stock Exchange main index advanced by 87 points today, while the junior market index lost 22. Some of the advancing stocks were Berger Paints, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. Caribbean Cement, Carreras, JMMB, Mayberry, and Wisynco were among the losers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.